The screen is visible to all of you. Today we are going to discuss on the topic that is advertising theories and the model. See, every subject has came with some conceptions and the concepts. One has to follow the conceptions and mention as per the requirement of the subject. So, for this particular purpose of the advertising subject, here it is also based on some theories and the concept. Advertising is impersonal and persuasive in nature, transmitted via mass medium, consisting of both tangible and intangible product, service, and ideas. For an advertisement to be successful, it is very essential that the right message reaches the right people at the right time. Strategy is the most important thing, requiring careful planning and the action. One of the most fascinating ways to communicate with the masses among the several forms of persuasive communication is advertising. Although considered to be a marketing tool, yet it is highly regarded as the most effective means of communication when it comes to approaching a consumer and making a decisive impact upon his or choices. See, advertisement is basically very impersonal type of communication which actually convey to consumer in a very effective manner. That is why we choose the advertising method so that our consumer, our customer will be very much convinced by your product and will be able to purchase a product now and in future also. So advertising is basically where you use certain mediums like newspaper, magazines, Facebooks, it can be any email site also, even it can be any medium where you actually choose the medium to convey your tangible and intangible products, services, and ideas. For an advertisement to be successful, it is very essential that the right message reaches the right people at the right time. Because it will be very wrong if you are going to sell your fans in the season of winter, somehow you will not able to reach the people at the right time. That's why your advertisement must be based on this approach, right people at the right time. Right thing must be delivered to the customer at the right place and the right time. Strategy is the most important thing, requiring careful planning and the action. Role of different theories and models in advertising. See, advertising has numerous objectives, which includes communicated with potential consumers as well as the persuading them to adopt a particular product or develop a preference towards a product for repeat purchase, which ultimately results in brand loyalty. See, advertising, the main objective of advertising is you want to create a customer, you want to retain a customer, as well as you want to persuade your customer to adopt your particular product or actually tell towards your product. The preference of the customer must be towards your product. There must be followance of purchase of your product so that the brand loyalty can be there. So the main purpose of advertisement is to create a customer and to retain the customer. There are various theories and models to explain the process of advertising as a means of communication. Understanding these basic principles will help you frame advertisement that are going to be very effective. There are a number of theories that is based on advertisement. Some common theories are DAGMR model, AIDA model. These theories are the perspectives with people make sense of their world experiences. Theories are what? Theories somehow build up the framework of the concept perceptions that are formed by the generalization and principles and provides with the area of knowledge. Theories basically provides a perception and a perspective of the people that is actually based upon their experiences. They build a theory on the framework of a concept, certain generalization. They gather the information, they make their principles, And basically, these principles conveys you the idea of knowledge. The knowledge of the theory provides some insights into the otherwise meaningless scattered information. The main agenda of a theory is basically it provides us an understanding of what we experience, we feel. See, theory always based on experience. It can't be based without any experience. You should have some knowledge, you should gain some experience, then you can only able to make a theory. It helps us to understand and communicate the deeper complexities of human relationship and lives. It actually basically understand and communicate the deeper meaning of the human relationship and their life. Theories are always based on the experiences which is actually experienced by a human person. So it is based on the complexities of the human relationship, human nature, and their life. Although theories have their own limitations, yet they challenge us to move beyond and further for great learning. There are different models and theories which are different approaches for the advertisement. It is a very complex yet very interesting phenomena. The advertising theories illustrate how and why advertising is effective in the influencing the consumer behavior and accomplishment its objectives. Now we are going to discuss some theories. The first one is ADA theory, the second one is DAGMR theory, and the last one is Maslow theory. All these are theories based on the human perceptions, human experience, and their knowledge. Let's discuss the first theory, that is the ADA model. The ADA model is a behavioral model was created by Strong in 1925. In 1925, this model was actually coined by Mr. Strong, which is based on the behavior of human beings, which define the purpose as to create awareness, that one has to seek the attention of the consumer, one has to create the awareness among the consumer, stimulate the interest of the consumer, one has to actually caught their awareness and then pursued his interest so that he will purchase your product. Stimulate interest with leading the consumer to desired action. The ADA model proposes 5 cognitive stages through which a buyer moves to and fro before finally purchasing the product. Now let's see. What is ADA? ADA stands for attention, interest, desire, action. It actually goes in the same phenomena. First come the attention or awareness, second come the intention, interest, third will be desire, and fourth will be action. The first one is awareness. You have to create your customer. You have to actually create awareness among the customer so that you can able to capture the attention of the consumer. The second one is interest. You have to generalize interest among the target market so they are encouraged to buy the product. See, creating interest is not sufficient for you. You have to maintain their interest also. So the first step is basically it is a very toughest job to create awareness. See, there are already number of products are available. Why consumer will purchase your product? You have to actually convey your message via advertisement so that you will create awareness among the customer. The second is interest. Interest can be based on when you want your product must be available to consumer for the long time purpose. You want to maintain a long term relationship with the customers. So you have to see what is your message should be clearly indicating towards a customer. The next is desire. After creating the interest, the consumer must have desire to purchase your product. You have to forming an emotional connection and a relationship with the brand so that you must create a desire of the product, helping the consumer move from liking it to wanting it. You actually want your consumer to want your product. The next is action, the ultimate purchase of the product. Actions mean when the consumer purchase your product. And now in this model, one more stage has been added, that is retention. Retention is basically concerned with that your customer is actually purchasing your product again and again and also somehow conveying a good message for your product towards other person also. Keeping the customer thread alive by bonding with them so that they can be able They can spread word of mouth, share their positive reviews, act as referrals, and so on. See, how can you going to seek attention of a consumer? The first step, if you want to actually capture the attention of a consumer, you want it to through guerrilla marketing. What is guerrilla marketing? Guerrilla marketing is basically concerned with when you place advertisement in an unexpected situation, when no one actually thought about there can be advertisement. See the first picture. The first picture shows you basically the ad of McDonald's on the road. This is one of the type of guerrilla market. And the second picture is showing the various applications of the mobile phone on the elevator. This is a part of a guerrilla market. Guerrilla marketing is basically concerned with when you actually go for the advertisement where one has not expected it. This is guerrilla market. So basically, you are actually try to capture the interest of your consumer here. You want to make aware your consumer here. Second, second is through some shock advertisement via. Sorry, I just skipped one. Then that's an innovative ad. You can actually make some innovative ad so that the consumer can purchase it. The first ad belonged to McDonald's. See how we place the different items on a banner. First is cool drink, then some other dish, fries, here it is burger, whatever they have, it is one of the way to tempt the customers. When you actually try to make innovative ads, second hand belongs to Nivea and somehow give you a picture of a crescent moon. So it is a type of innovative ads. The next one is you can actually create shock advertisement through exaggerated imagery, like stop smoking, in which where one side of liver is very perfectly fine, the other one is not fine. So it is basically concerned with stop smoking ad. And the second one is where it is basically show you smoking thrills, but it also kills. So one should not prefer to smoke actually. This will actually cause number of serious health problem in a human being. That is what you want to create. You want to make aware your customers through some creating shocking advertisements. Second step was interest. When you want to actually maintain interest of a your student, your customer, the first ad belongs to Daag Achhe Hain, Surf Excel. Both of these ads belong to Daag Achhe Hain. How small kids are playing in the mud, and then the Surf Excel actually offer Daag Achhe Hain. So why this ad is here? What the children have to do with this ad? No children want to wash his own clothes basically, but this ad specify the children basically he want to capture the interest of child. He want to actually make their products purchased by the parents through their child intentions. So it is basically to keep their interest possible. The next step is desire. See, yahan se yahan tak. It is an ad of Fair and Lovely, which basically conveys the consumer has to have the product. It is like from liking to wanting. Consumer have to purchase your product. That is why this sort of advertisement is there. And the next is action. You actually provide some free actions, free samples to your consumer so that they are ready to purchase your products. The fourth one is action. The next model is DAG MRA model, that is basically concerned with when you want to define your advertisement goals through some measured advertising results. In this model, you specifically want to capture your customers so that you have the basic results. This theory is basically given by Russell Foley. The first theory was given by Mr. Strong in 1925, and this model has been pointed by Mr. Russell Foley. He actually want to measure the objective of at the E stage of communication. The last time we have discussed the stages of communication. He actually want to measure the objective at each stage of communication, the process which we have seen, that is from receive sender to receiver. He created this for the Association of National Advertisements. DAG-MER helps in identifying the objectives of advertising and focuses to measure the result of an advertising campaign. The idea behind this method is to communicate rather than sell. Actually, the idea basically based upon you have to communicate each and everything to your consumer so that they will actually purchase your product. So the main focus is not on your sales. The main focus is to communicate with your consumer. See, sometimes when you go to market and you're shopping for set, ऐसे ही ले जाओ पैसे क्या कम करने हैं ना, you want to communicate कि कोई नहीं आज ले, then after that we will see. He want to communicate the basic idea to you. According to Russell Coley, there are various attributes of well-founded objectives. These are have a well-defined target audience or market, concrete and measurable, specify a time frame to accomplish the objective, identify the benchmark and the degree of change to bring about. See, it has a very standard pattern of the format. It actually want to tell you that you have to see what is your market, what are your target audience. They actually want it to tell you. They actually want to convey you. The first step is you have to see your target audience. Then you have to make the opinion, make your concept based upon your target audience. You have to frame your work. You have to accomplish
मैम क्लास में है ही नहीं भाई भोसड़ी। काहला शायद फोन किया था। हेलो, अरे आवाज नहीं जा रहा है भाई।
क्लास ज्वाइन करने के लिए किए थे।
घंटा ज्वाइन करना है तो साला वहाँ का नेटवर्क सही है जी अमृतसर का।
क्या कर रहे हैं? कैसे भी तो करना पड़ेगा ना।
है क्या बोल रहे हो?
नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम है तो क्या कर, क्लास तो ज्वाइन करना ही पड़ेगा।
अरे बाहर आए हुए थे भाई, अब अचानक देखे कि अब फोन का पता ही नहीं चला भाई। अभी अब देखे कि साला फोन किए हो।
अभी आ रही है?
यस मैम।
चलो लेट्स
सॉरी
शेयर।
सर, आपका माइक म्यूट था मैम।
सॉरी सॉरी। See, in this particular ad, I have told you basically ये जो मॉडल है ये किसने प्रोवाइड किया है? ये मॉडल हमें रिजल्ट कूलर ने प्रोवाइड किया है। उसने ये बेसिकली जो मॉडल प्रोवाइड किया है ये एसोसिएशन ऑफ नेशनल एडवर्टाइजमेंट के लिए प्रोवाइड किया। इनका मेन जो मोटिव था वो यही था कि आपका प्रोडक्ट आपने कम्युनिकेट करने हैं सारे फीचर्स रेदर देन विद द सेलिंग। इन्होंने बोला कि सबसे पहले कहता है टारगेट मार्केट, टारगेट ऑडियंस देखो। उसके बाद कहता है देखो कि जो आपने टारगेट ऑडियंस अचीव कर ली है, आपने मार्केट देख ली है, तो आपके रिजल्ट, आपके जो ऑब्जेक्टिव है बड़े क्रिस्प, बड़े क्लियर होने चाहिए, सो दैट आपको पता हो कि हाँ मैंने ये अचीव करना है। आपको एक टाइम फ्रेम, बिल्कुल एक टाइम फ्रेम लेके चलना है, एक बिल्कुल एक स्पेसिफिक टाइम में लेके चलना है। यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई अ बेंचमार्क। आपको एक बेंचमार्क होता है, यार्ड स्टिक, जैसे आप लोग को रहता है या पास हो या फेल हो, या एक बेंचमार्क है। तो कहते हैं बेंचमार्क लेके चलना है अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस मॉडल। This model is basically based upon defining advertising goals, measured advertising result. You have to from unaware to aware, then comprehension करना, आपने उसका एटीट्यूड लेके आना और एक्शन लेके आना है। ये मॉडल इसके ऊपर बेस आ रहा है। द फर्स्ट वन इज अवेयरनेस। अवेयरनेस देखो उन्होंने एड के थ्रू उन्होंने क्या अवेयर किया है कि डोंट ड्राइव if you are in drinking stage, that means they are making awareness towards to you. Similarly कहता है कंज्यूमर को आपको अपने प्रोडक्ट को लेके somehow आपको अवेयरनेस करानी जरूरी है। तो देखो आप लोगों ने भी कभी कोई प्रोडक्ट पहली बार यूज किया हो तो आपको किससे पता चला होगा, या थ्रू टीवी एड या विद किसी और ने आपको बोला होगा, सो दैट आप उसको परचेज करके देखते हो। सेकंड इज कॉम्प्रीहेंशन। कॉम्प्रीहेंशन में देखो जैसे इस टूथपेस्ट ने ना आपने सारे बताए हुए हैं कि इसमें देखो पैराबेंस नहीं है, कोई केमिकल नहीं है, कोई फ्लोराइड नहीं है, एंटीबैक्टीरियल है, ये एंटी इन्फ्लेमेटरी है, स्ट्रिंजेंट है इसमें, वन शुड यूज दिस। जब आप अपने सारे फीचर्स हमको बता देते हो ना, दैट मींस योर कॉम्प्रीहेंशन अबाउट योर प्रोडक्ट। आप अपने सारे फीचर्स को कन्वे कर रहे हो। नेक्स्ट इज कन्विक्शन। कन्विक्शन में हमारा बेसिकली क्या आता है, देखो जैसे माउंटेन ड्यू वाले ऐड देते हैं, डर के आगे दिखता है, एक पॉजिटिव अपनी इमेज दे रहे हैं कि जो बड़े वीक हार्टेड पर्सन है वो ना करे, एडवेंचर से रिलेट करते हैं ना इसको बेसिकली इस ऐड को। सिमिलरली थम्स अप देखो, थम्स अप कहते हैं ग्रोन अप के लिए कोल्ड ड्रिंक है, ठीक है। तो समहाउ ये कितने पॉसिबल इमेज, एक पॉजिटिव इमेज प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं कस्टमर्स को। देन उसके बाद आपका प्रोडक्ट जब सेल हो जाता है, दैट मींस आपका टारगेट अचीव हो गया, योर प्रोडक्ट शुड बी सेल। यहाँ तक क्लियर है? यहाँ तक क्लियर है बच्चे?
यस
चले आगे
मैम।
चले फिर।
यस मैम।